What is going on, guys? Bully Kid here. Thank you for checking in. On today's video, I'm going to talk to you guys about a simple, affordable mod you can do to your EX-LX Civic rocking the R18 motor. So stay tuned to find out. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so we're going to talk to you guys about installing the Civic Si factory Axleback on your R18 Civics, okay? So this is a very easy, simple, affordable mod. You pretty much get the bigger performance muffler and directly bolt it onto your LX and EX Civics. So you take a pipe that's made for a sports car and you put it on your economy car. What does this do for you? Well, a lot of people do it because it's gonna improve the performance slightly, and I'll talk about that in a second. But also, it's very affordable. On Craigslist, on eBay, you can probably pick up a factory used muffler for about $50 to $80. That's the option I chose, and we picked up a Si Muffler a while ago, installed it on the vehicle. The install is as simple as pie. It's pretty much 2 bolts you undo, take off the factory Axleback, put in the Si Muffler, direct bolt on, but make sure if you have a 4-door vehicle, you get the Si Muffler from the 4-door. Likewise, if you have a coupe, get the Si Muffler from the coupe in order to prevent any problems with fitment. Why do people do it? We already know. How much does it cost? We already know. Install, very easy. So I'm gonna throw in the clip of how the R18 sounds with the Si Muffler right now. Alright, not bad at all, not bad at all. Definitely sounds a lot better than factory. It was literally the factory exhaust does not provide any exhaust tone. So definitely you can hear the exhaust tone, which is nice. So horsepower and torque numbers, horsepower torque figures. In my experience, I got some bad news for you guys, because in my experience I did lose a lot of low-end torque from the Si Muffler, but I did gain higher RPM band power. So what does that mean? With the bigger piping, you lose that quick response on lower RPMs, but on the high end, when you got a lot of air flowing through, the bigger diameter piping does help help those vapors escape, thus giving you a little bit more power, making it more efficient. In my opinion, I didn't like it. I liked the sound, but I did not like performance losses, so I did remove it, did sell it back on Craigslist. Got my money's back. So it's really your choice. You got to pick your poison, your driving style, and what you prefer. There's also aftermarket companies that do Axlebacks. Granted, those are going to run you a lot more money. And there's Honda factory performance Axlebacks as well, which in my opinion, for the money, you're better off getting an aftermarket exhaust. You guys decide what's best for you. So in conclusion, I would definitely recommend it if you're looking just for sound improvement for a really low budget, and it does give you a nicer apparel of the rear muffler too. It looks a little bit more beefy. It's got a little polished tip, so it does bring out the rear end a little bit better. If you guys are interested in the Si Axleback, look online, look on Craigslist, look on Facebook Marketplace, pick yourself one up. It's real easy to do, real simple. I'm sure you guys will enjoy it. Once again, thank you guys for watching. If you have done this mod before, please comment below. Tell me how you like it. Let me know if you guys did notice any power gains or losses as well. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel to stay tuned for more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching.